Thank you to all the volunteers that helped tonight, from the Leitrim Volunteer Centre, from St Vincent de Paul, from the Ukrainian community. They all helped with the car park, the kitchen, the interval snacks and everything. Thank you to Mary Galooly and Finn O'Connor of the Mayflower Community Centre. And thank you to Clara Catering and Fanula Smith. Sean Bailey, I think I've already mentioned, our VHOS coordinator, MSL ETB, and the Leitrim Development Company. And thank you to all the help from Drumshambo Traditional Irish Music Course. They helped us put up the stage, the backdrop, and decorated, and got the candles, and did loads of the organising and work. I had to do nothing, it was great. And lastly but not least, thanks yourselves for coming out and supporting us, and live music.